In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to Vercel step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your domain seamlessly connected and ready to use with your Vercel project. Let's start by opening Vercel. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner where you'll see a tab labeled Domains. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Domains Management section. Now, in this section, you'll want to click on Add Existing Domain. This is where we'll begin the process of adding the domain you've purchased from Hostinger to your Vercel account. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a list of projects. Select the one to which you'd like to connect your domain. Once you've picked your project, click Continue to move forward. Next, it's time to switch over to your Hostinger account. Log in, and once you're on the dashboard, head straight to the Domains tab. Here, you'll find the list of domains you own. Identify the domain you want to connect and copy it. Make sure you've copied it correctly to ensure there's no mix-up in the connection process. With the domain copied, head back to Vercel and paste it into the domain field. Once pasted, click Add to initiate the connection. Now, a small note, you might notice a notification about an invalid configuration. Don't worry, this is normal and fixable. Click on it, and you'll see a set of DNS records displayed. Go ahead and copy these DNS records as we will need them in the next steps. Next, return to your Hostinger account and click Manage on your domain to bring up more detailed settings. Here, locate and click on DNS Name Servers. This is the section where you'll manage how your domain connects to Vercel. Add the copied DNS records from Vercel into Hostinger's DNS Management section. Follow it up by clicking Add Record. This step is crucial, as it ensures the domain points correctly to your Vercel project. Now let's finalize the name server setup. Go back to Vercel and you'll find an option labeled Vercel DNS. Click on it to see another set of DNS information. Copy this data as it needs to be pasted into Hostinger to finalize the configuration. Back on Hostinger, look for Change Name Servers. Clicking on this will allow you to paste the Vercel DNS information. This is the last step, so double check everything and click Change Name Servers to apply these settings. And there you have it. Your Hostinger domain is now successfully connected to your Vercel project. Expect this change to take a little time to propagate across the internet. Sometimes it's quick, but it can take up to 48 hours. Keep this in mind as you finish up any related tasks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to connect more domains.